Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use the OBS Studio audio mixer. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to explore the audio mixer in OBS Studio, all the important options, tips, and tricks you need to know to manage your sound perfectly. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand how to control, balance, and organize your audio sources in OBS. Step 1, add and set up audio sources. Open OBS Studio, create a new profile and new scene collection. Select your scene, then in the Sources panel, click the plus icon Audio Input Capture, rename it, and select your microphone device, then click OK. You'll now see your mic levels appear in the audio mixer. The green, yellow, and red bars show your speaking volume. You can adjust the volume slider to change mic volume or click the mute icon to silence it. Step 2, manage multiple audio devices and layouts. To add more microphones, click the plus icon Audio Input Capture again and select another mic. Adjust their individual volume levels to avoid red peaks. To change the layout, right-click in the audio mixer and select vertical layout for a cleaner look. You can return to horizontal view anytime by unchecking vertical layout. Step 3, rename, hide, and apply filters. Right-click any audio source, select rename. To hide a source, right-click, select hide. To improve the sound quality, right-click on the microphone, select filters, click the plus icon, and then choose compressor. You can copy filters from one mic and paste them to another for consistent sound. And that's it. You've learned everything about the audio mixer in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more OBS tutorials.